I've got a Honda 400 here, Foreman, 1998, and right now I'm working on changing the bearing in the steering the steering shaft here. But I figured now's a good time to show you how to change your inner tie rod ends. So what you're going to want to do is disconnect your outers, and then take the shaft, take that nut off the bottom of the shaft, and this plate here will drop down. It slides off really easy, and you can pull the whole thing out, and then you can change your inner tie rod ends. It's a lot easier than trying to do it in there.